Good morning. Okay, so this is our Maputo city tour, and our first stop is the cathedral, which I'll show you now. So we're gonna see if we can go inside and then we'll check it out. Okay, so you can stand on the steps and you can take a picture. And now we're going to go inside. I wonder if this video is doing justice to it, but this place is like really massive, like very tall. That's the city hall. I did speak to the security and you are allowed to walk in here. So this is the city hall, and you can, I think it's for tourists to see, so you can just see the pictures and the frames and things that they have down here. can see these are very old Portuguese styled buildings. So we're at the statue of Samora Machel, and it's in the city center. And it's pretty big. Okay, so they're all within like the same vicinity, which is the cathedral, the city hall, and the statue. So there's the statue, there's the city hall, and the cathedral. Our next stop is the cultural center. I think could be the next So that was the cultural center. It's more like an art museum, and I think they have like a whole list of activities. I think they have like art shows and events. So there's like a poster with all the dates when these things are happening, so you can check them out. So now we're just walking to the Iron Fort. So we're now walking to the Iron Fort. It's just like a 2-minute walk. The only thing that you will have to brace yourself for is parking. The traffic in the city center is really crazy. Traffic is really hectic, and you'd have to brace yourself for finding a parking. There are parkings on the road, but you'll just have to nab one as soon as 5 minutes, and then you can't just park. So this says that it's a protected area of downtown Maputo. Oh, and then it lists all the main buildings and the monuments. So actually behind me is the Iron Fort. I don't know, the gate seems or looks closed.
Oh my God.
Hola! So is this the Iron Fort?
This is the Iron House.
Iron House?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Rasta.
So this is the Iron House, and I don't think you can go in it. But there's a guy that's selling things there, and you can walk around the gardens and you can see the building. So this is the botanical gardens. As you can see, there's lots of seating areas. Actually looks like they're having something there. Because there's a lot of people sitting there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it looks like they're having like an event. But overall, it's really nice. There's lots of pathways to walk, there's benches, and then there's lots of like trees and even grass and things. I'm not sure if you're allowed to have a picnic here, but I will definitely check and let you know. Okay, so we heard some noises, and according to me, it sounded like ducks. So we decided to go look for the ducks, and then we come here towards the noise, and they're actually not ducks. They are bats, and a lot of them. I will try and like zoom in for you guys to see, but they are just chilling on the trees, but there's like a lot of them. So most of the signage is in Portuguese. Yeah, very few are translated in English. So the sign says Sanctuary dos Morcegos. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but I think it just essentially would translate to a sanctuary for these bats. Yeah, so let me just show you guys.